Thanks for watching Learn with Albert Pinto technical tips via tutorial. How to create even better content. Big update from YouTube. Important update from YouTube. I am into the YouTube creator dashboard. Ideas for you. And you have been selected. Well, if you are an eligible creator, then you should check here or your email. Now, it says how to grow your channel and connect with fans and earn more money. All will be explained in details during the course. YouTube Classes 2022. During this class, you will be taught how to create even better content. Surely some very positive ideas to grow your income. This course is meant for advanced creators and you are one of them who is eligible. It will be a series of courses that will be held now and then. The dates and timings of every new course will be updated by YouTube, so you should not worry about that. Registration for classes is open until 19 to 21st July. The last date to register is 17th July 2022. Now here are the eligibility criteria. You must not have any pending strikes. The event will be held in two languages, Hindi and English. That's wonderful. On Day 2, there will be classes in Telugu language as well. Besides, there will be classes in other languages as well. Let's click here. And here are the languages that one can choose from according to country-wise. So I choose India and you will be taken to a page like this one. Now here is the topic on 19 July with the timings. Now I will click on to register. Sign in with whatever way you like. I will sign in quickly. And here is the registration confirmation with some more terms and conditions as a reminder. So no pending strikes for your registration to be approved. You need to enter your details correctly in the form that we are going to fill up now in a moment. For more details, read the FAQ there. Let's begin with the filling up of the form. You have the four options for select from, and I will select the first option here. So you need to provide your correct channel URL. I will come back to that later. So the country is already selected. How did you hear about this event? Well, from Creator Studio. Now, let's copy the subject topic and paste it here. Next, click on No. Let's click on this option here. Let's click on both these options. Let's click on register to see if any more options are pending. Okay, the channel ID is missing. I will go to my channel. This is my YouTube channel URL. I will copy that and paste here. Now I will click again on register. Now let's agree to the terms and conditions and click on register. Well, something more still pending there. Let's click again this option for the last time and then click on register. And now we have successfully registered. You will be sent an email confirming the same. And finally, if you wish to cancel due to any personal issues, you can do so without any hesitation. And be ready to improve further your creativity and learn to earn more money from YouTube. Take care and bye-bye.